Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Breaking News application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And then click on this more icon down below, which is actually the last option. Here you should click on the settings section, which is the first one, and then tap on the profile option. Here you are ready to change your username by clicking on this name section. So type in the name that you would like to use. Then you can also select your gender, you can add your phone number, you can change your email address and describe yourself in a few words or a few sentences if you feel like to do so. You can also add your country and your city as well, such as your education, work or hobbies. So if you are done with typing in all these information that you would like to make available, click on this button update down below in order to update your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.